My name is Michelle Thomas and I'm one of our KPBSD Effective Instruction Coaches. This video is a tutorial to provide some navigational skills in Canvas and Catalog and will demonstrate how to enroll, access, and work through your mandatory trainings. This video is going to have stopping points built in time to try out the platforms. At the end of this video, my hope is you'll be ready to rock and roll towards completion of your mandatory trainings. Please allow around 15 minutes to work through this video. First and foremost, what are Canvas and Catalog and how do you get to them? Canvas is our learning management system. Canvas is the KPBSD platform that allows students to access content remotely as well as give students flexibility when they see content, how they might interact with content, how fast or slow students work through content. So Canvas is the platform that holds all that content. Catalog, on the other hand, has three specific purposes. Catalog is the entry point for your mandatory trainings. You register for professional development and your mandatory trainings in Catalog. Last, Catalog holds certificates of completion. I'm not going to get into that aspect of Catalog very much, the certificates. However, know that Catalog is the holder of certificates of completion. Okay, so let's get into Canvas. All right, so I clicked over into the KPBSD home page. There is an entry point into Canvas right here. Also, from the Employee tab, there is a Canvas entry and a Catalog entry. So I'm going to go ahead and enter into Canvas. You'll notice here that the login screen comes up. You'll want to type in your e-number as well as your district password that you should have already previously set up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sign in. Canvas is automatically going to drop me into my dashboard. You'll notice here that I have 5 cards, 5 classes. Any courses that you are a participant in or you are a teacher of record will populate to your dashboard. Now your dashboard can get pretty bogged down with all these classes, so there is a way to personalize your dashboard so only those courses that you're going to be in and out of on a regular basis can be there. So I want to bring your attention to the global tabs here on the left-hand side. These global tabs are always there. No matter what class you're working in, these global tabs are available to you. So I'm going to click into the Courses global tab. And you'll notice here that these 5 courses are listed at the top. There's also an All Courses. So if you click into these All Courses, an entire list of all your courses comes up, and also past enrollments are listed here as well as future enrollments. So there is just a huge list of all the different courses. Next to each one of your active courses, you have the option to star and unstar. So if I starred this particular class and I unstarred this class, you'll notice here that by clicking back into my dashboard, I have personalized it so that only those courses that I have favorited show up on my dashboard. Okay, so I do want to take this time to let you know that our IT department will create a course, for each of the courses of which you are a teacher of record. Elementary teachers will have a language arts class, a math class, a social studies class, etc. Secondary teachers will have a course for first period, second period, third period, like that. Canvas integrates with PowerSchool and your students are pre-populated to each of your courses. So your students will enter into Canvas just like you did with their district student number and their password. So if I go into one of these courses, you'll notice here that I get a whole new set of tabs, and these are your course tabs, and these give you the functionality to design your course for in whatever way you want it to present out to kids. So again, these are your course tabs and these are your global tabs. When you have all your classes created by PowerSchool and they drop into your dashboard, if you click into your People tab, you should be able to see all your students are listed underneath this People tab. So there's all the students that are in this course. Okay. So the last thing I want to bring your attention to is within these global tabs, there is a catalog shortcut. So you can get to catalog quickly from Canvas by clicking here. But I'm not going to do that quite yet because I'm going to ask you to stop your video and I went the wrong way. Okay, I want you to stop your video now and log in. Find the dashboard, personalize your dashboard if you'd like to, check out your global tabs, and click into a course and check out your course tab. So this is your opportunity to explore in Canvas. Now that you're back, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click into the catalog shortcut. And what happens is you get rerouted over to the catalog platform. Now, after you've explored a little bit in Canvas, you'll notice here that catalog looks very similar, but again, catalog has 3 specific purposes. So when you click over with the shortcut, you'll notice here that the full catalog, all the offerings show up on the home page. Now, you'll want to log in using this login button in the upper right hand corner. The beauty of using the Canvas shortcut is that a lot of times it'll recognize you. So I don't have to log in. It recognized me because I was just in Canvas. So that works out great. So when you're looking at this full catalog, know that you can drill down to only the professional development offerings if you want to, and you can drill down to only the mandatory training offerings if you want to. This mandatory training is the one you're going to enroll in, the 2021 Certified Staff New to KPPSD Mandatory Training Bundle. But before I show you how to do that, I want to bring your attention to this little triangle next to your name in the upper right hand corner. If you click into that, the student dashboard is the entry point for your mandatory trainings. Now I'm going to show you that here in just a minute, but first I just want to show you the features and catalog. When you click into your student dashboard, all the courses that are in progress, all the courses that are completed or not completed are listed here. And there is also a Canvas shortcut as well. So now I would like for you to stop your video again and try out the catalog features. Use the shortcut. Check out your dashboard, check out the tabs, check out the Canvas and the catalog shortcuts. And when you get done, click restart the video, and I'm going to show you how to enroll in your mandatory training. Okay, now that you are back, I am going to go back into catalog. And again, this full catalog is here. Now you can drill down to professional development, you can drill down to training if you want to, but you'll notice here that the 2021 Certified Staff Mandatory Training Bundle is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click into that guy, and I'm going to click the Enroll button. But before I do that, notice that there is a list of all the trainings that need to be completed, and I'm going to go ahead and enroll. Now when you enroll, it's going to ask you to complete the enrollment. So when you do that, it's 3 clicks to enroll into your mandatory training, and you're going to have the option to go to your dashboard or return back to catalog. So if you're ready and you want to go ahead and get started on your trainings, I'm going to ask that you go to your dashboard. And what you're going to see in progress in your student dashboard is you're going to see a list of all the trainings you've just been enrolled into. All right, so here's the 2021 certified staff, new to KPPSD mandatory training bundle, and all the things that need to be completed. Now, when you're ready to get started, you're going to click Go to Course. Now, again, the student dashboard is your entry point to get to your mandatory trainings. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Go to Course, and I'm going to get rerouted over to Canvas. So as you're doing your mandatory trainings, you're going to be toggling in between Canvas and catalog. You're going to enter into your each individual mandatory training from catalog, but you're actually going to be doing your training in Canvas. That's why those shortcuts are so important. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start connecting with students, and I'm going to work through this. I'm going to click into the brochure that I need to have a look at. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have a look at that, and then when I'm ready, I'm going to go back into the Canvas course, and then I'm going to go into my verification. It says that I need to submit my verification. So after you read that verification, you're going to need to submit your verification, and I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to submit my quiz, and I'm done. Now I can go back to my home screen. After you submit your verification for each one of the mandatory trainings, you're going to want to reroute back to catalog. So you want to use that catalog shortcut and reroute back to your student dashboard. And it's going to drop you into this full catalog, and then you're going to go to your student dashboard and continue working through all your mandatory trainings until you are completed. Now, every time you complete one of your mandatory trainings, you're going to get a green check. And so what you're looking for is the green checks as you work through each of the mandatory trainings. So now's the time to stop your video and go back into catalog and enroll into your mandatory training. Remember that you're looking for this specific card, and I'm going to ask that you enroll into your mandatory trainings and you toggle back and forth between catalog and Canvas and get a feel for it. All right, now that you're back, I want to thank you for your time, and know that if you have any questions about Canvas or catalog, feel free to contact me. Again, my name is Michelle Thomason. I'm one of our effective instruction coaches, and there is I'm doing a raffle for a prize. If you get to the end of this video and if you send me an email with the secret password, which is lemon tree, you are going to go into a drawing for a prize. So again, I thank you for your time, and feel free to reach out with any questions about Canvas and catalog, and happy mandatory training.